All right, guys, today we're making steak tacos. We're gonna start them in the slow cooker. I've got my liner in here. This is my slow cooker. We've already put a little bit of water in the bottom, just like maybe 3/4 of a cup. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this sauce. I just have like half a bottle left. I'm gonna use it all. I'm gonna put about half of it in here right now, just to have something in there. Then we're gonna add our steak. Next up, I've got my eye of round steaks. I've just got 6 of them. I'm gonna throw them all in here and just kind of layer them in. Those are in. I'm gonna just toss in the rest of my taco sauce. This is really just to add some liquid into the thing and have a little bit of flavor go into it as well while it's cooking. Add a little water to your empty container. Mix that up and pour it in. That way you have enough water to cook it. Everything's ready to go in there, but here's a pro tip. Cut a small little slit in your cover here and then put it over the thing that your lid attaches to if you have a lid like this, and that way all of the steam will stay inside and it won't escape out. We're gonna close that up and we're gonna set this for 6 hours. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, all of our steaks are done in the slow cooker. We're gonna pull them out and shred them. All right, we've got all of our meat shredded in here. We're gonna toss in 1 tub of this Wicked Tasty Taco Original Taqueria sauce. And now you've got super easy, perfectly seasoned steak tacos. Just throw it in your favorite quesadilla or taco and you're good to go. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.